Hello guys, good morning. Ayan. Welcome back to my channel. Ito na po, magluluto na po tayo guys dun sa inihanda nating iluluto nating baon ng anak ko. We're going to eat the cook the string beans that we're promising yesterday. You know, so we're gonna do okay now because running out of time. So we're going to start now guys. Start na tayo. So now just blanch the string beans. As you can see out there, the string beans. I just blanch it with the seasoning and then pour into the strainer and then we're gonna stir fry it. Okay. Okay guys, we're gonna stir fry it. So we pour. Throw away. That's the string beans now. This is the string beans now. This one. See, it's blanched already. Just a bit. Then going to start to cook. We're gonna use this stand guys because this one is more higher so that we can see. We're going to transfer our phone in that folder. Yeah, okay, more better. Okay, so we're gonna set that. Okay, we're gonna transfer this one. So we have the ingredients. We have the garlic. We have the onion. We have the squid, and we have the string beans. That was and we have salt. A little bit salt, or no need for the salt. We have this oyster sauce. Oyster sauce, guys. I'm gonna shift this one because this one is so fatty. Our rice is already nice already, so we going to cook now. So we have oil, we have oil, first, we have the oyster sauce, we have the salt, and only the salt, we just have the salak or no powder, shallots, and garlic. So let's do this. First is the garlic. Stir fry the garlic until golden brown. This is a golden mobile. brown. And I'm letting this up, guys. Quarter to six. Just a week for quarter to six. The salad. So we pour the squid after the shallot. Stir fry. See, guys. Okay. So just stir fry. You look, guys. You look the squid. You look the squid. Nah, just like that. Nice, right? And then we have the sauce already. All we need to do is add the seasoning. We add the seasoning. We put a nor powder so that it's going to absorb the taste. Nor powder, okay, about half teaspoon. Put a bit of pepper, black pepper, minced black pepper. And then the oyster sauce. Oyster sauce is just put a bit. Like that, guys. 1 tablespoon. Okay. See, as you start frying the squid, that water came out. That water came out, and then as you can see, let me see the taste. As you can see, put a little bit more. About half teaspoon. Okay, 1 tablespoon teaspoon of oyster sauce. So we're gonna cover it for a while, and then you look, guys, the squid is like that. Okay, so we're going to cover up just to cook, and then later on we pour the string beans together. Just 2 slices of chili so that it got a little bit hot. So much. Okay. Just like this, and then pour. This is cornstarch, guys, just to make a little bit sticky the sauce before we pour the string beans together. Okay. Okay, ready guys. Okay, ready. So now we're gonna cook the string beans. Put the string beans and you can see. That is the string beans now. See? It's cooked already. There you go. Bye-bye. Love you all. That is the outcome, guys. Now you look. Good taste. String beans with the squid bean. With the squid. Sorry. String beans with stir fry. String beans with the squid. Okay, bye.